Hello, 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 hello. It's your girl, Miss Ro, from In Trouble with Miss Ro, and I'm back with the Treble Making video. Happy New Year to all of my Instagram and YouTube friends and family. I appreciate you coming here and taking a look at what's going on in my life. Before I even get started, I'm gonna go ahead and ask you, you're here watching my video, go ahead and push the like button. Give me a thumbs up, do something, show your girl some love. I'm doing these videos for you guys, and I'm looking at the likes, the follows, the subscribers. The numbers are kind of low. Can we at least get those numbers up just a little bit for 2020? Like, comment, and subscribe right now during the intro. Go! All right, my Treble Making friends, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for liking, subscribing, following, clicking the notification bell, whatever it is that you did during the intro. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, let's get into this. What you're about to see right now is a set of time-lapse videos which occurred over the first half of the year during a project that I have been working on. And to be honest with you, the first spark of inspiration happened in August before school even started, and I'm now just getting to the point where I am done with this project. So I hope you enjoy this time-lapse video. Shout out to the Positivity Project people again. If you are interested in the good work that they are doing in our school systems, please feel free to check them out online and on social media. This is my latest project. I have cut out all of these decals, and now I'm about to put some transfer tape on all of them so that I can install them on the steps. All right, so I'm taking all of our Positivity Project characteristics that I've cut out, and I am covering them with transfer tape and trimming them off. And then I will have all of these done, hopefully in time for the Thanksgiving luncheon. So as parents are coming in for the luncheon here at school, they will see in big letters all of the characteristics that we will be working on for the rest of the year and the ones that we have already worked on. All right, here we go. It has taken me this long to complete this project because I'm a full-time teacher and a part-time teacher and a part-time do whatever you need to hustle, girl, because you're a single mama. So this particular project did take that long, and it's done. So what does it matter how long it took? It looks really good. At least I think. I've gotten a lot of compliments from my colleagues in the building, and the students who have helped me were so excited they could not believe that they were a part of the process. So I do want to give a quick shout out to my 5th grade students. Unfortunately, I did not film them for obvious reasons. I'm protecting their privacy online. But you know who you are, and Miss Ro loves you very much. I appreciate the time that you put in with me to help me complete this project. I would also like to give a shout out to my colleagues who are always encouraging me to keep the creativity going in my life and allowing me all opportunities in this building and outside of the building to be the creative person that God has designed me to be. It's just who I am. I cannot help it. I'm not just a music teacher. I'm more than a music teacher. So take a look at the time-lapse video. I hope you enjoy it, and you will see me the next time. Peace.